It all starts here, with this high-grade flexible PCB. This thin, bendable board serves as the durable backbone of the entire neon light strip. First, an automated stencil printer applies a microscopic, highly precise layer of solder paste directly onto the copper connection pads. Next, high-speed pick-and-place robotic arms position thousands of tiny SMD LEDs onto the board with absolute sub-millimeter accuracy. Every single centimeter of the soldered strip is inspected under high magnification to ensure there are absolutely no electrical defects. The strip then enters a multi-zone reflow oven. Here, controlled heat melts the solder paste, creating permanent, vibration-resistant bonds.
Meanwhile, we prepare the liquid silicone. We blend in special UV stabilizers to make sure the final neon light never yellows or degrades over time.
An industrial vacuum mixer thoroughly blends the compound, extracting any trapped air bubbles that could otherwise cause dark spots or light distortion. Now, we calibrate the extrusion line. This custom-engineered steel die is what gives the silicone its precise, light-diffusing shape. As it exits the die, the iconic, smooth, D-shaped neon profile is formed, encasing the light source in a thick, protective jacket. The profile immediately enters a high-temperature vulcanization tunnel, curing the silicone into a durable, highly flexible solid. A continuous puller guides the hot profile through a water-cooling bath, instantly stabilizing its shape and locking in its flexibility. The bare LED strip is fed continuously into the extruder, aligning perfectly with the incoming flow of liquid silicone. Automated laser sensors measure the outer dimensions in real time, ensuring absolute structural consistency across every batch. The continuous profile is then cut to precise commercial lengths, ready for final assembly and manual finishing. We inspect the light uniformity across the entire length, ensuring there are absolutely no hot spots or dark patches. Next, a matching silicone end cap is bonded to the cut end using high-strength, weather-resistant industrial adhesive. Our skilled technicians hand solder heavy-duty power cables to the internal copper pads of each individual length for a robust connection. The lights are then subjected to a rigorous multi-hour aging test under full electrical load to guarantee absolute long-term reliability. Finally, the finished neon flex is wound onto spools, packed securely, and shipped out to light up modern spaces all around the world.